Good evening. Our radar screen helps us explain what is happening right now weather-wise. The low pressure system is leaving the ball game and reporting into the scorers table. We have a high pressure system coming in from out west. That'll be clearing the skies, but there's much more happening than just that. Our area conditions right now, mild temperatures, and that is due to change, and there are a number of reasons, including the wind. We are under a wind advisory tonight because of this change in systems. The winds are really kicking up. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour are expected before midnight, and again, this advisory is in effect until tomorrow morning. It's for the entire WEIU TV viewing area. Currently, the winds are picking up. They are from the due south at up to 40 miles per hour, it looks like already in Danville. Down in Effingham, 16 mile per hour winds currently. And again, wind is not something that's static. These winds will be changing throughout the night. So let's take an in-depth look. At 8 o'clock tonight, this is when we believe is perhaps the biggest part of the trouble spot. And again, this is bad for high-profile vehicles. Also, if you've got ornaments, Christmas left out in the yard, you might want to take them in if you haven't done so already. Also, you know, another thing with regard to winds, coming in and out of doors and out of those automobiles, it's a very hazardous situation, more so than you might realize. The wind will be shifting directions toward midnight. There you see the winds now coming from the northwest beginning tomorrow morning, and that'll bring in very cold air. That'll keep our temperatures way down there for folks who are, for example, maybe running in that holiday hustle here in Charleston. That, by the way, starts at 9 o'clock, a 5K run. Lots of those going on in our area. Future wind gusts Saturday. It looks like things are going to finally calm down in the afternoon. And then to add to all of that, overnight tonight, there's another chance of some sprinkles. Just like the last overnight, this will be happening overnight, but then it will clear up, and that's when that high pressure system takes full effect. It's going to be a very, very sunny day, but first, overnight, a low of 28. And those wind gusts. Again, those are finally calming down, and then we get into our temperatures for Saturday, and they are not moving up much at all. An afternoon high of 35 degrees, as we say, sunny but cold. 35 for the high on Saturday, and then the winds shift directions. Temperature up a little bit, 43 for Sunday, and Monday partly sunny with a high of 46. This is a picture given to us by Charlotte Gano. She visited the Embera River recently. It's not what it should be. You see a lot of sand and rock that's normally underwater. Here's the problem. We are under a moderate drought. It's an official drought in east central Illinois, and it covers all of Coles County, among other places. November rains did not help us much at all. The last 3 months, we have had a rain deficit. That rain deficit is now more than half a foot for the last 3 months. So we need rain. And are we going to get any? Well, maybe some light rain on Tuesday and a high of 47. Thursday, maybe a better chance of rain as you see the temperature moving up. But otherwise, our conditions should be about what you might expect for this time of year. Maybe not what you want, but what you should expect.